What if your factory could see everything in real time? Across the industry, leading garment manufacturers are increasing line efficiency by 10 to 20%, not by working harder, but by working smarter. Introducing ELIoT's Smart Manufacturing Solution. Want to see your profitability line by line? Production output captured automatically, efficiency graphs, line balancing insights, machine run times, quality and rework tracking, individual learning curves, skill inventories, flowing into real-time dashboards, all generated instantly, without human intervention. Your factory's performance, visible from anywhere on Earth. Machine breakdown? Material delay? Automated alerts trigger an immediate response. Operator performance becomes transparent. Incentives become fair. Decisions become data-driven. The result? Higher efficiency, lower cost, absolute control. We are ELIoT, your trusted automation partner.